Welcome to J&J's test video for 9500. This is a 2000 Firebird 3.8 with the appearance package on it. Hit there in the right front, kind of like a WS6 Trans Am with a 6-cylinder down the right back side. Spare set of chrome wheels, decent taillights, all the bumpers and everything. The ground effects are good. Interior, we're going to refinish that seat, put a cushion in it. Door panels are iffy and broken, but T-tops are okay. And the seals might be all jacked up. But 164029 and CD player. Power antenna works. Surprising. Alright, let's take it for a drive real quick. Oh, let's listen to the motor first. Pretty quiet. Didn't realize these are drive-by cable to just now. Or drive-by wire, I'm sorry. Alright. Shut the hood and take it for a little spin. Oh, I'll check that seat while you're looking at it. Worn out, but it still works. Alright, a little bit of a loose steering up there. I wonder if that was some of the accident. Runs and drives pretty good. A little clunky and floaty. Holding oil pressure, not getting warm. Sounds like it needs a front end rebuild. Oh my. Very floaty and floppy. Ooh. Park it up down here next to the other Camaro. Oh yeah, that's why. I bet you one of the wheels is not pointing straight now. Bet you I got a broken tie rod end. It's weird how far you can drive a car forward, but then if you back up, all of a sudden the wheel will go wrong way. Yeah, see? One wheel's going that way, and one wheel's going that way. Huh. That's why it didn't want to move. All right, there you go. There's your test video for 9500, a 2000 Firebird 3.8 with the W68 appearance package. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.